Hello there, my friend, and welcome to day one of my 30-day content marketing strategy video series, where I take you by the hand and walk you through step by step to creating content for the next 30 days for your business, right? So you can actually take what I'm doing, I'm sharing with you, and you can turn around and do it yourself and promote any opportunity out there, right? So if you are part of a network marketing company, this will work perfectly for you because it's all about building a relationship with your target audience. Now, this 30-day content marketing strategy, I'm doing it as part of my program that I'm with, right? Part of this program, they recommend after you've gone through the course with the training, which I've done, is you need to go and do the 30-day marketing strategy. This is what this is about. So every day, I don't have to figure out what video am I going to create because the content is right there. I just have to see what day I'm on, create that content, right? So you can do the same without being part of the program, right? You can watch my videos. They'll be between 5 and 10 minutes, and then you can actually go ahead and do what I'm doing. And I'm getting this information from a 7-figure earner. Okay. Now, if you are looking for a simple way to make passive income online to change your life in 2024, then I invite you to always stick around to the very end, because I will be sharing with you our community, right? The results that our community is getting, and I will be sharing with you giving you a snapshot of this 30-day marketing strategy, which is very, very powerful. Okay. So day one, what we are told to do on this 30-day content marketing strategy is share your story. Why you started the Legacy Builder program. This is easy for me to do, right? So I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I am here in Dublin, Ireland. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I've been away from Malawi for 23 years, more than half my life. And currently, I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing. I'm going into my second year. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I've been online for over a decade. And most of that time, I was failing miserably. I was overwhelmed. I was frustrated. I was confused, right? I had an expensive hobby. Let me know in the comments if you can relate to having an expensive hobby. What do I mean by that? I was spending more money online than I was making, right? So I felt this mom guilt, where I was taking money from my family. I wasn't spending it on drugs or alcohol or gambling or even nice stuff for myself. I was spending it online, trying to get more. So you name it, I've tried it. I've tried crypto, every crypto project I was ever involved in. I never made it to withdraw my money, right? Before I could withdraw it, the company was gone, disappeared, poof, right? I have created my own course. I have done network marketing. I have done affiliate marketing. You name it, drop shipping, you name it. And I've been there, done that, right? And I felt for so long because I felt like I didn't have the right training. I didn't have the right resources. I didn't have the right support. Sponsors would disappear. I'll just be, I always felt lonely. Can you relate to that feeling of being lonely in your online business, right? Trying to figure things out. It was like banging the head against the wall, right? It was not until 2020 when things started to turn for me. And this what I'm going to share with you actually clicked from attending the trainings here, because she was like, what was the pivotal moment when it all began to change for you? And I never thought about that before. But after she asked it so many times, it hit me. When things started to change for me was when I left my husband of 20 years. I left him with negative $5 in my account, 2 children, nowhere to go, nothing. I actually went onto a homeless, an abused place for single mothers. And it was at that time where I actually wasn't able to work in Ireland, so I didn't have an income. I knew that this was the only way that I was going to make money, right? So I had to actually stop dabbling and had to kind of figure this thing out. So I made a decision. to invest the time to learn the skills to build a sustainable digital business. And I came across this model of getting paid 100% profit selling other people's programs, right? So all of a sudden that model makes sense to me. And that was the model that took me from having an expensive hobby to actually making money online, okay? So fast forward to now, what's happened with my life. My life has absolutely changed, right? I've made enough money to put myself back into college, study for my degree in marketing, and I'm doing it because I love to learn, right? I'm doing it to set an example for my children, and I'm doing it to just improve my brain cells, right? And I'm doing fantastic, and it's something that I've always wanted to do, right? But not only have I been able to do that, I've been able to go to travel. I was in Turkey for my birthday. It was absolutely amazing, all-inclusive place for 10 days, and we stuffed ourselves. We just had an amazing time. I was in Greece for Easter this year. I've been to Malawi twice. That's the most expensive place to go because it's so far away. Just based on all the skills that I learned, right? Now, when I saw the Legacy Builder program, I just saw a lot of marketers that I've known over the years just jumping on board and promoting this. And I was like, my head was deep in something else. I was like, let me look up, what is this, right? Because I just couldn't avoid it. And when I looked into it, I did my research, I was blown away. I was blown away from the outside, right? From people just sharing bits and pieces on YouTube. And I was like, oh, what the heck? I'm actually buying a program, right? So that I can learn skills, right? And that's what I'm all about, learning. So what the hell, I'm gonna buy the program to learn the skills. And when I bought the program, boy, right now, as I'm speaking to you, I'm blown away, right? I've made more than my money back, right? Because I get 100% commissions. So one sale, I got my money back. Second sale, I was in profit, right? But regardless of that, I've learned so much. I've been online for more than 10 years. I've earned enough to travel, to go back to college and all that. But I've learned stuff that I've never learned before that I'm applying, right? So why I jumped on board is that I love the fact that I no longer have to go through a middleman, right? So in the past, when I was struggling, my commissions were going to a middleman who then held those commissions. The company held the commissions. They gave me a percentage of that. 50% was reasonably good. And then when I went to withdraw it, I had to pay withdrawal fees, right? So 100% was the model that I decided to make my first money. And I was like, yeah, I loved it. I jumped on board for that. I jumped on board because I love learning, okay? Learning is just part of who I am. So I wanted to learn skills because I realized that my income will always follow my skill set and my mindset. So if I want to improve, if I want to earn more, I have to learn more. I have to work on my mindset. I have to believe that it's possible for me to earn that money, and I have to take consistent action, right? So I love the program, but the program Bloom, what I love about this program, it's not just any digital marketing program. No, the program has live interactive coaching and mentorship. Every single week, you can actually go and attend our live Zooms and mute yourself, ask questions, get put in breakout room with a group of like-minded people and get and practice what you're learning on the call, right? Very, very powerful. Even watching the replays has been a game changer for me, okay? Absolutely love it. And then I love the fact that I didn't have to create this. A grandmother of 6 children who went from 0 to 1.6 million in 20 months. She put the course together, right? So I haven't earned 1.6 million, right? So even if I had the amount of time and effort that it takes to put this together, so I don't have to put all that together. I can actually just leverage her success and sell it and get all the money, right? Give people access to coaching and mentorship. It was just a no-brainer for me, okay? And why else did I join? I think those are pretty much it. And right now, I would join. My only regret is that I didn't join sooner. This program launched more than 90 days ago now because they had a 90-day. They made millions were paid from member to member. I think it was, I'm not going to quote the amount of money, but that was my only regret, that if I had started sooner, I'd be a lot further down the road, right? But here I am, right? I'm going to start now, and end of the year, I'll be somewhere, because because once I've done this 30-day challenge, I'm going to do a 90-day challenge, right, based on what we're learning. So let me introduce you to one of the members of our community, and then let me introduce you to our community as well, okay? Who am I gonna pick? Let me pick. I'll pick Latoya.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint. Such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, you had to, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, you know, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. You know, if you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart. That's in my nature. That's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
It's a perfect video, right? So let me go ahead and introduce you to our community real quick, because I literally have to go live now. So this is our community. We have over 34,264 members. And if I go to community here real quick, I'm going to share with you some of the wins that people are sharing on the daily basis. First lead went live on TikTok for the first time, all set up. I'm looking for financial, okay? God's got me, okay? 24 hours ago, Sherry said 1,500, one legacy, one digital mastery this morning from my 2 a.m. live, okay? Congratulations, Sherry. Dan, 11 hours ago, 1,800 just before sleeping. 1,800 came in. Love this program. Just be consistent. Imagine what sweet dreams, how soundly he slept when he got that money just before he went to get bed, right? Let me see. I finally, first sale in 5 days. Melissa, 19 hours ago, first sale in my first 5 days. Congratulations. Did my first live, did email, almost maxed out. 20,000, 32 minutes ago, Lisa made 20,000 in less than 60 days, right? I forgot to post this last week. I started my journey on 22nd of June. I've made over 20,000 since starting the program. I'm so very grateful for this program, right? And then she shares her social media handles. Definitely will follow her here. Okay, so I'm gonna end there. Congratulations, Ali. We're so proud of you. So excited. We'll show what happened there. Anyway, so we have every day countless of testimonials are coming in. What I invite you to do is click the link below to grab a free copy of your 10K in 30 days guide, right? So you can learn about our business model and how you can start to earn those commissions for yourself. And if you found if you're looking for me, I will send you an email with the guide. Respond to the email. Let's have a conversation. Let me help you make an informed decision to see if this is the right fit for you, okay? I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, and I will see you on day 2 tomorrow. Thank you.